Hey, what's going on? I recently got my hands on this portable monitor, and let me tell you, with a 15-inch screen, it's been a game changer for both work and play. The visual experiences it offers are simply stunning, with vivid colors, sharp details, and impressive contrast ratio. With multiple ports available, including 2 full functioning USB-C ports and 1 mini HDMI port, I can easily connect it to my laptop, PC, phone, or even gaming consoles like the PlayStation 5 and Xbox. The best part, it's a breeze to set up. Just plug and play, no need for any complicated cables or drivers. I also appreciate the flexible stand options it has. Whether I want to mount it on the wall, set it up on my desktop, or take it on the go, the monitor offers the versatility I need. The included PU leather cover not only protects the screen, but also doubles as a stand, allowing me to adjust the viewing angle based on my preferences. With multiple display modes available, I can easily extend my host screen for multitasking, mirroring my smartphone or tablet screen for a better viewing experience. Plus, the optional landscape and portrait modes come in handy for different tasks, whether it's programming or browsing documents. Despite the size of the monitor, it remains lightweight and portable, making it perfect for travel. Its slim metal frame and lightweight make it easy to carry around whether I'm on a business trip or sharing my screen in meetings. Overall, I am extremely satisfied with the monitor. It exceeded my expectations and everything. If you're in the market looking for a monitor, look no further.